What's up, traders? Welcome to another C-Space trading video. As always, welcome my subscribers. I appreciate the follow along. And guys, also I want to give you a heads up before I go on to BABA. I just started a new platform on Facebook last night, so it's kind of new and it's going to look new. I want you to hit it up if you subscribed to be able to communicate with myself a little easier and also communicate with other subscribers. So what we can do is try to bring in expert traders and beginning traders and put it in one area, put it in one community, so we can bounce ideas off each other, possible stocks off each other. And if you got any questions for myself or any other subscriber, you can ask them in that platform. So check it out. It's C_Space Trading Community. The description or the link to that website or that platform is in the description of this video. So if you don't mind doing so after this video, please check that link out and join that platform. And let's go ahead and jump into Alibaba BABA, as today sucked ass, as I'm sure a lot of you guys know this already. However, you went short or put in a put here at the beginning of the day, you've done very well. It depends on which way you traded this. You know, we discussed how it bounced off this level of support here a few days ago and kind of been trending upward ever since. And then earnings was reported this morning. I hadn't checked out the numbers completely, so I don't know really what they reported, except I believe they beat, but I don't really dig into finances too much unless I want to go long term, and I'm not really a long term trader, just a long term investor. So first thing that I've noticed on what possibly could have happened when I hit that spot technically is you've got this line here, which it's kind of odd that it got very close, and also the VWAP is sitting there, plus your 200-day moving average was sitting there. So that big gap up this morning, you should have been aware. You should have been aware of that 200 moving average, as anytime you're coming up under it, there's always going to be a little bit of resistance there. So remember that 200 moving average. Also be cautious. Keep an eye on these pivot points. So you've seen here it pivoted down. It moved back up and then pivoted down. So you've got this line drawn now, and you have to keep an eye on it to determine a good uptrend. And let's look into the hourly to see if anything else shows. So we had this strong gap up this morning off of earnings being good, and it sat there for a little bit. And then all hell broke loose the second hour, and it never really turned back. It did consolidate a little bit in the middle of the day, and then it continued to fall. And it looks like it's about to head down to 170 and 171 tomorrow. But it's too early to tell that yet. But it does look like it's going to see this area of support again. So we have to keep an eye on it, and hopefully it'll come down here, touch, and reverse. But I have to keep an eye on any reversals and any and what the volume looks like. So if I'm going long here, I'm going to keep an eye on this here, and I'm possibly not going to go long in BABA until I see a clear break of this trend, because currently we have a downtrend and you don't want to fight it. We all did think that this was it here, and this possibly still could be it, because you're not getting any lower lows here. You're still making higher lows, which is a good sign, but still too early on BABA. Let's go back. I don't want to drill into the 15-minute because it's pretty useless on this such a big movement. We know exactly what happened. So guys, just continue to follow along. I'll continue to watch this stock for us and just see where we may go. Like I said, tomorrow this thing could easily just kind of settle around 170, 171, and that'll be a good thing. But if it continues to fall and it blows right through 170, expect that 166 mark again. So guys, I appreciate it. To go ahead and check out that platform on Facebook. Subscribe to this channel if you want to continue to see these videos get put out daily. Comment if you got any questions below, and like the video if you like the video. Guys, thanks again, and I will chat with you later. See ya.